last break we did. It was 16. Show us rolling the dice. Is this being the next box to break? And here we go. Top notch. Phoenix Breaks. Custom. Memorabilia buyback break number 17. Get the team owners at the end. Much easier. Good luck to everybody on this memorabilia. We got the Boston Brewski, Ray Bork. Nice for Boston. That is Fanatic certified. That is Fanatic certified. Nice Ray Bork for BOS. And next up, we got a puck. Oh, sick. Man, he's expensive. He's expensive. Go look him up on Fanatics, man. Jeez Louise. Artemi Panarin. Autograph puck. Only reason I know is I bought him for the puck breaks. Panarin. For the Rangers. That is sick. Rangers having a good night tonight, I'd say. We got an Authentic Pro jersey, Adidas, certified by Fanatics. Nikita Black jersey, Kucherov for Tampa Bay. I forgot, does Tampa Bay have hits in this stuff? I forgot. I'm kind of blanking on it. If somebody's interested in selling the Kush back, I'm highly interested in it. Alright, let's look up the owners, see who these items belong to. And all the items belong to Nikki C. No, just joking. Alright, let me see. So first off, we got the Rangers. That is Mr. Happy and Son. Mr. Happy, that puck is nuts. Him and Shesterkin are crazy amounts for some reason. Compared to the others. I don't know why, but... Well, I mean, I know why, but... Bruins. Charabomb with Ray Bork. Fanatics. That looks like an old Fanatics. Yeah, it is. That's a much older Fanatics certification. Actually looks pretty cool. Let's go Fanatics. Alright, Charabomb. And then we got Tampa Bay. Tampa Bay is Ramos, B by Bo Bamos.